OnRamp's customer-facing portal is white labeled, so it looks and feels like an extension of yourself. Your customers won't have to create a username or password to access the portal, but we will authenticate their device the first time they enter the portal for security purposes. Directly here on the home screen, they'll have access to key files that are relevant to them, contract, NDA, SOW, anything else the sales team is getting from them during that process, as well as any resources that would enable them to complete the tasks you need them to. When they're ready to get started, you can guide them down a bespoke workflow that feels very relevant for them. We have conditional logic built in to the tasks themselves. So if they answer yes, we're going to take them down one path. If they answer no, we're going to take them down a different path. All of the information you're collecting here can be included in payloads directly back to your tech stack to reduce duplicate data entry. You have the ability to embed items within an iframe. We're embedding our calendar link here, grab a time for the kickoff call, but this could also be utilized to embed a PowerPoint presentation or a deck. OnRamp also has the ability to share files or request files. Once users have completed a task, they're going to be given a flash of confetti, a gentle pat on the back, and encouraged to move on to the next step of the process. You can prime them for training meetings by giving them some instructional videos before those meetings take place, or give them some training throughout the process itself. If they have any questions, they can leave those questions or comments directly within the tasks, and your team will be notified when those comments are left. Enabling customers with visibility over the project and allowing them to collaborate with their colleagues reduces overall project timelines and leaves a really great customer experience that drives referrals. OnRamp's internal UI gives internal teams complete visibility over all projects. You can quickly see which projects are on track, which ones are at risk, which ones are off track. OnRamp will send automated emails to your customers based on different variables of the project. It'll remind your customers of upcoming tasks and also remind them of tasks that are overdue, which allows your team to preserve social capital for high-value strategic conversations. Projects come from playbooks, which are essentially templates. You can create different playbooks for different types of customer onboardings or different customer segments and customize them after projects have begun. OnRamp's Task Builder allows you to leverage conditional logic to guide your customers down a bespoke path. Any action you'd like your customers to take or your team internally are all captured within one of these different element types. It's drag and drop and retitle. Dashboards is individualized for each internal OnRamp user. Helps your team understand where they need to be focusing their time on a day-to-day basis. Insights here allows for continuous improvement. Track playbook performance over time. Most of our customers want this to go down and to the right. Track customer feedback for continuous improvement, or top project bottlenecks to take material chops at the timeline itself. This is just scratching the surface of some of the possibilities with OnRamp.